Finally back home from the race. Got fourth today, $205 in payout. Not too bad, no crashes. Track was a little sketch in areas, a lot of kickers and roots, but stayed off the ground, had a great time. And a good way to end NYOA season. Only race I did this year there. A little before I wash it, and I'll give you one after, and I'll give you a time lapse of me washing it. This was after the last round of NYOA. Ended up fourth on the day, and in points ended up second because there were 2-day riders, which I don't care about points. That's the first one I did this year. But so here's the before, and now I'm gonna get to washing it. What's up everybody, Tim Steiner here. Before this video gets too far, I wanted to give a huge shout out to this kid who came up to me after my race at the last round of NYOA, Rolling Oaks I think it was called. He said that he watched all my videos and it just meant a lot that he came up and congratulated me. Even though I didn't win or anything like that, it still meant a lot, so shout out to you. Please leave a comment below. I'm sure you might see this video. Shout out to all my subscribers. I have almost 125. I think I started this year with 11 subscribers, so that's a big milestone. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider it. We do a lot of stuff like this, wash your bikes, riding vlogs, racing vlogs. We're about to go racing 4 weekends in a row, not this weekend, the weekend after. And I'd love for you guys to join through. We're gonna try to get some GoPro footage. And also the 1995 KDX 200, I got air filters for it. There's a couple small things I need to touch on it, and then I'm gonna be riding that soon. I'm not a very good wheelier, but that bike, when I rode it just without an air filter and a seat on it, it felt like it was a wheelie machine. So I think I can learn to do some 12 o'clock stand-up wheelies on it. And so stay tuned if you guys wanna see that. It should be here real soon, but I just wanna say thank you guys for watching, and please enjoy the rest of the video. Steiner Family Motorsports, we do powder coating, maintenance, anything you guys need it. It's towards the end of the season. Let me know. And also, one helpful hint that I've learned over the years is as long as you don't get your air filter wet and put a plastic bag over it, start your bike after you wash it. It burns out the moisture in your exhaust packing and off the motor and your radiators. You can also use a leaf blower or compressed air, which I do also after I wash my bikes. And I find that it just helps your bike not get any water spots, and obviously nothing will rust, and get water off your bike is better for it anyway. So here we go, a nice little cold start, and I'll just let it warm up. After the race, I had about half a tank, maybe like a third of a tank. That's where my level was, right about mid-shroud. I think I made the chicken a little mad. A little too noisy for him.